Hey everyone, this game's called Hand Yard Ball, used for grades K through 2. Equipment you can use is cones to line off the fields, any type of PE ball that's soft and bounces well, poly spots, and baseball tees. And you could also use for the tees, use cones. Skill wise, we're going to be striking the ball with an open hand, making contact, striking it with our palm open. We'll be fielding a ball, so you make sure you teach your students to get an athletic stance. Use the gator chomp with your hand, chomping it down on the ball. For game setup right here, we have the tee with the ball on top of it. Students right here, the offense, and the defense over here. First, we'll start out with everybody on offense gets to hit the ball one person at a time. They'll strike the ball with their hand, palm open. And then after we get a few times, the offense will swap to defense. And after a couple of times of hitting it and just getting used to hitting, then we will progress into, once you have hit the ball, the runner will run to the poly spot right here and run back. And that'll be a point. What the defense is trying to do is to field the ball and run it back and put it on top of the tee before the runner makes it back here. If they get it back here before the runner returns to the poly spot, then that's an out. And you can make a few modifications to this, as everybody has to touch the ball before it can be ran back to the poly spot. Offensive wise, you could get them to hit with their other hand, or you could scoot the poly spot back if they're scoring a lot. Management wise, have your equipment set out before the class arrives so you can get as much gameplay as you can. Have the students sit down in front of you when explaining the game. Due to this is a lot going on at one time, there'll be a lot of movement, and there'll be different courts set up depending on how many students you have, different fields. Preach spatial awareness, because spatial awareness in this is really big due to the fielders getting the ball and the runner running into the field. Also have the students clean up after the game is over.